Yo!
Where's up? I don't like it.
Hey!
Yes, remove.
Remove the house. Remove
the house.
I will remove. Hi. What happened? Hello.
Hi.
We will teach you how to solve the Rubik's Cube.
This is Chester. This is Phyllis. This is Raiko. Say hi.
Ole. Ole.
Chester is the only one who's made
Very, very lame.
Chester is going to show you how to solve
Solve the Rubik's Cube!
Yay!
You started this
Chester!
No, it's not true. Don't follow the trick.
Don't
Go anywhere.
follow that trick. It's very tricky. Open it. Open it. No, Chester! You're so...
It's not like you haven't seen it yet. You haven't. What you haven't seen? It's very feeler. Oh, Chester is touching Granny's butt.
Party.
And Karatikas. Philip is a hog on the camera.
Real stands for real images of teenagers. So lame. I don't get it.
This is the image for
The Karatikas, I don't know what it means. I bet Philip can't
more
explain
babies
it
to
to
come.
you.
Karai come in. It means be fruitful. Oh! It's very beautiful. It means be fruitful. Well, let's make the one, the tawa-tawa, the open. Joda ba, the open kuan, the nganga. The letter, example. The nganga. Yes. Afraid.
But this is a video, this is not a picture.
We can a picture.
You can picture later.
Still.
Just
Yeah,
finish
you have
the
your
video
interview.
vlog. Say goodbye to the video vlog.
Goodbye, video vlog.
Bye.
This is a video. I open my zipper.